Oh, that's a disappointment. He was just starting to crack on there.
No, he's lost it. He's out of red diesel. The generator's cut out.
Well, you don't want to fill up the generator like that. It's just going to contaminate the engine. Told you, it's cut out. First he's run out of diesel, now he's contaminated the engine.
Well, this job needs doing. Where's he going to get red diesel now? This can't wait until the morning.
He could go all night if he'd filled up with a fuel box. 20 litres of clean fuel in one pre-filled box, straight in there, whoosh. Look at the action on that. A clean fill, no spillage, no contamination, altogether a much better solution than a jerry can. You can even recycle it.
Look at him. He's built like an actual god.
FuelBox. Store, pour, recycle.